In this video, I will show you how to connect to Airbnb. Start by clicking on Services. Select Airbnb and click on Get Connected. You will be guided through a step-by-step wizard. On how it works, you will learn how the synchronization between Airbnb and Rentals United works. Read the information carefully before going to the next step. Click on the confirmation box and click Save and Next. On the next step, you will be able to add a markup if desired. If you don't want a markup, just click on Save and Next. On the next step, you will select the Airbnb cancellation policy that you wish to use. Click on Save and Next. On this last step, you will get the option to override the minimum stay specifically for Airbnb. Please note that your minimum stay set up on a property level will be sent to Airbnb by default. So by activating this option, you override the minimum stay for all properties and season. If you just want to send the same minimum stay to Airbnb as is already set up on your properties, leave this step as it is and click Save and Next. In case you want to adjust more channel settings, click on Channel Settings. Here you can enable fees sent to Airbnb. If this tab is disabled, only cleaning fee and security deposit will be sent to Airbnb. So if you want to send any other fee types to Airbnb, you need to enable this tab. Make sure that the fees you want to send to Airbnb are supported by Airbnb. All supported fee types will be listed here, and all supported calculation types will be listed here. If the fee or calculation type is not listed, it is not supported and will not be sent to Airbnb. You are now ready to connect your Airbnb account. Click on Property Settings. Before following the next steps, we recommend that you sign out from Airbnb. When you connect your account, it will automatically link up with the Airbnb account that you are signed into. So in order to avoid linking the wrong account in case you have several, it is safest to log out from Airbnb first. Click on Synchronize your first account. Read the information and click on OK. You will be asked to sign in to your Airbnb account. You will need to accept the connection to Quick Connect. Scroll down, tick in the confirmation box and click Allow. You can now close this tab and go back to Rentals United. If you never received the pop-up to allow the connection, make sure to disconnect Airbnb from any previous channel manager first. Airbnb can only connect to one API connection per account, so you will not receive the pop-up to connect if you already connected to another software. On your Airbnb account, click on your profile and select Account. Click on Privacy and Sharing, select Services. Remove access to any software that is not Quick Connect to Rentals United. Once you have connected the Airbnb account, the Airbnb account ID will appear under Property Settings. If you have several Airbnb accounts, you can connect the next one by clicking on Connect Another Account. When connecting multiple accounts, make sure that you sign out from Airbnb in between connecting multiple accounts, and also make note of the Airbnb account ID for each account. You are now ready to connect the properties. Either the property already exists in Airbnb and it should be mapped, or the property does not exist in Airbnb and it should be pushed as a new listing. Click on Add Property. You will be asked if the property already exists in Airbnb. Select Yes or No depending on what is applicable. I will start to show you how to map listings that already exist in Airbnb, so I will click on Yes. The system will pull in all Airbnb properties. Co-hosted listings will not appear. You will need to connect the main Airbnb account where the listing lives in order to map those properties. The property may be automatically mapped in case the name is identical in Rentals United in Airbnb. If it is not correctly mapped or it wasn't automatically mapped, you will be able to select the matching Rentals United property. Next, you will need to select what synchronization you would like for this mapping. You can choose between Limited Sync and Sync Everything. Limited Sync will push the price, calendar, and minimum stay to Airbnb. The rest of the content will then need to be managed in Airbnb directly. If you select Sync Everything, Rentals United will override all content data in Airbnb that you have in Rentals United. You will then manage all listing content from Rentals United or the PMS connected. Select a markup if desired, and then click on Link and Connect. The property will be mapped. Please allow the system 15 minutes to synchronize the property. If the Rentals United property you want to connect does not yet exist in Airbnb, do the same thing, but this time when clicking Add Property, select No. Select the listing that you wish to push to Airbnb. Click Save and Next. Select a markup if desired, and then click on Create New Listing. The property will be pushed. Please allow the system 15 minutes to synchronize the property. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful.